Hello students, today on our geography lessons we'll be looking at the topic, the solar system. The solar system is made up of the sun, the moon, the planets, the stars and the asteroids. There are only 8 planets for now. You'll be finding out how that is so as we continue in this lesson. Let's look at the planets and their description. The first planet we are going to be considering is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest, the hottest, and the closest planet to the Sun. It has no living thing. It revolves around the Sun in 88 days to complete its orbit revolution. It has no satellites. Its surface temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. The next planet to be looking at is Venus. Venus is the second planet. Venus has no living thing. It is referred to as the Earth's twin. This is because of its close proximity in size, in mass, and density to the Earth. It revolves around the Sun in 225 days. The next planet is the Earth. The Earth is spherical or void in shape. The Earth has more oxygen than any other planet. There is life on Earth. The Earth has only one natural satellite. You can see the satellite revolving alongside the Earth. The Earth is revolving around the Sun with its satellite. Another name for the satellite is the Moon. The Earth is the 5th largest planet. It rotates on its axis. It completes its revolution in 365.20 days. Its surface is made up of 29% land and 71% water. The 4th planet is Mars, also known as the red planet. The Mars has 2 satellites. It revolves around the Sun in 687 days. It has no outer rocky crust unlike the Earth. The Earth has an outer rocky crust. Jupiter is the next planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. Its surface is made up of gases such as hydrogen and methane with light and dark bands. You can see the bands on this planet. It has 12 natural satellites. You can see some of the satellites around it. And it revolves around the Sun in 11.9 years. The next planet is Saturn. Saturn is the 2nd largest planet. It has 3 rings. You can see the rings around it. It has 9 natural satellites. It completes its revolution around the Sun in 29.5 years. The next planet is Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet. This ice giant planet is surrounded by 13 faint ring lines and 28 small moons. Uranus rotates at a nearly 90-degree angle from the plane of its orbit. You can see it from the image on the screen. This unique tilt makes Uranus appear to spin sideways, orbiting the Sun like a rolling ball. The coldness of this planet does not have anything to do with its distance from the Sun. The next planet we're considering is Neptune. Neptune is a planet that is not visible to the naked eye. Neptune's environment is not conducive to life at all. The temperatures, the pressures, and materials that characterize this planet are most likely too extreme and volatile for organisms to adapt to. Neptune is the last planet. It's the 8th planet and the last planet. Now, Pluto. which we used to know as the ninth planet. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Pluto was considered a planet until 2006. So since 2006, Pluto is no longer considered a planet. Pluto lies in the Kuiper Belt. Sometimes Pluto is closer to the Sun than Neptune. Pluto is smaller than the Moon. There are white mountains on Pluto. A year on Pluto is 248 years. So this is why we said we have 8 planets. So Pluto is no longer considered a planet. This is where I'll be drawing the curtain today on this demo. Let us go over to the assessment section. On assessment section for today, which planet is the coldest planet? How many satellites has the Earth? Drop your answer in the comment section. That will be all for today. See you in our next demo, and thank you for watching.